Welcome to MoonWave FX. In this video, we're introducing you to Luxon, our futuristic multi-effect plugin designed to transform your sound in bold, beautiful ways. Luxon features a stunning interface powered by a grid of 9 interactive effects, each visualized through animated portals, from subtle texture shaping to extreme sound design. Let's start with the interface. At the top, you have input and output gain controls. Simple, clean, and responsive. Below that, the core of Luxon, a 3x3 matrix of 9 effects. Each effect has its own unique visualizer, from dynamic plasma waves to space-bending delay tunnels. It's not just for looks. These visuals are tied directly to the movement and modulation of the effect. Here's a quick breakdown of each effect. Filter, a rich spectral shaper that cleans or warps tone. Shaper adds harmonic complexity, ideal for transforming synths or bass. Saturator brings analog-style heat, from warm to destructive. Chorus adds depth and shimmer with spacey modulation. Delay, a rhythmic stereo delay that syncs with your track's tempo. Reverb, a cosmic space builder with lush decay. Expander adds up to 200% stereo emulation. Detuner creates motion through pitch variation. Gain, LFO, a synced volume modulation, great for sidechain-like effects. Now let's hear Luxon in action. First, here's our dry signal. Now let's apply a subtle chain using filter, reverb, and expander. Let's use the atomic randomization button a few times. With just a few clicks, we've created a completely new sound. Luxon is available now for both Mac and Windows in VST3 and AU formats. Whether you're polishing a mix or building something otherworldly from scratch, Luxon gives you the tools to make your sound move. Check out the link below to download a copy and subscribe for more audio tips, walkthroughs, and sound design ideas. MoonWave FX. Shape sound, bend space.